What's up, everyone? A couple days ago, I got a check engine light, and I'm like, oh snap, what is it? Grabbed my OBD2 sensor that was in my car already, plugged it in on my way to work, camshaft position sensor. Okay, cool, easy, boom. Passenger side, bank one, put my hand down there, take the clip out, nothing big. Broke the clip. Do I want to repin it? No, I don't. So today we're learning how to solder wires. So far, not too bad. I got everything ready. Now I'm just gonna practice on these guys. I got my heat shrink. I got my soldering iron. I got those that I'm not gonna end up using. Yeah, we're pretty dialed. Those are the things you need if you are following along. Wire strippers or a box cutter, a 10 mil to get this guy out, that guy out down there. You're gonna want to open and spread these boys up. You know, you can see that. Intertwine, as said. 2, twisty, 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 more twisties, and another twisty, and another twisty, and more 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 twisty. Oh, I have no idea what heat to do this on. No fucking clue. That's why we're doing a test run right now. I guess you're supposed to do this first. Get the edge nice and hot. And then I guess you're supposed to wipe it down. Get some of that nasty off. And some resin or some shit. I don't know, dude. I'm gonna put it in there. I don't know what that does. I did it. Fuck it. We're gonna see how this goes. Hold me now. I'm 6 feet from. Okay, I kind of get it now. I think you're just supposed to feed it right above it. Then you get your shrinky wrap. Am I still filming? Shrinky wrap over without burning yourself. Get it on there nice and good, brother. Make sure you get those edges. Don't edge it. Edge her. Edge me, baby. Edged, successful. Apparently that's how it's done right there. I don't know. We're gonna try it out for ourselves. See what's cracking. This is what we're looking at right now. I would strongly advise you cover up everything with some good gloves or a good, if you have a welding blanket somehow or a moving blanket, shove it in there. Make sure none of this metal stuff gets up on anything, any hoses especially. Got the shrink wrap on. Time to get our recreational lighter. Let's tape it up. Got it all taped up. Now let's just pop in that little sensor right there. And everything else, and hopefully we'll be good. These do not need to be tight, especially if you're using fucking thread lock. We got everything buttoned up. Let's see how we did. Hopefully we didn't just kill ourselves. No check engine light. We're good. Let's go take it for a spin.